Hey everyone, welcome back once again to a new video. So in today's video we'll learn how actually you can create some interesting shapes using the cuboid technique and isometric technique. So first let's start with a normal very basic cuboid. So I'm starting with the height and you can just simply convert it by adding the height and depth. So using these two lines. So all the lines are parallel. Again, I discussed this in the previous video. So this is right now very simple, but if you want to add something, like if you want to add one more cuboid, or if you want to convert this into a charger or something, or you can create any kind of shape. So it's simple. You can think where you want to add the other like cuboid. So I'm adding on the corner. So just decide the the height and width of the other cuboid, and simply follow the same lines, and you can add one more cuboid into this, and later on you can actually add smooth lines, and we can create very interesting shapes out of this. We can easily convert this into charge or something. So let's create one more. So let's start with this line. So instead of making simple, we can create, maybe on the middle we can create a different shape. So all the lines are parallel, so I'm just kind of creating a cavity inside this. So you can see I just made a line like a shape and slightly extend the top part, and again the vertical line is parallel. And now you can decide the height. So the first keyboard is on top of this, so let's slightly make this line straight. So these are just example how can you actually explore some shapes. So here I can't show the bottom one still. So just add all these construction lines. So these are all basic blocks. So this is not necessarily you can just draw all the products like cuboid shape, but yeah, you can build very interesting shapes using this. So let's do another one. So this one I'm making like a if you want to make a adapter or something. So now I can add some thickness. So also sometime you can also use or show different angles of the same products. So if you make it adapter or charger or something, try to draw the same product from different angle. So here you can see the top part is kind of a L shape, but again now I will add height to this. So how can you find out where to finish the bottom line? So let me use a color pencil. So I can show you exact method to find out how the backside line will be exactly, because otherwise you can finish it anywhere on so that's going to be wrong. So for this you need to draw this construction lines, means the base lines that is there already but slightly hidden. So now I'm adding the guidelines here, you can see. So if I now extend this line, so the backside line going to be on the same level. So if you see this, these are going to be on the same level. Now if I extend this, so let me draw with pen. See, this is going to be on the same level. So if you don't know where the constructor line finish actually, so the backside line you can slightly extend further, or you can reduce it by mistake. So you should know how to find out or how to draw the exact shape on the backside also. So like this, let's do another one. So this is also easy, like simple one, but yeah, first let's start with the keyboard only. So now if you want to add another shape on bottom side, or if you want to add some cuts here, let me add another shape on the top side. So right now it's just a hole on the center. So if you want to add or fuse another shape inside this, So you can create very interesting shapes, and later on you can convert this into nice products. So right now this is kind of hollow, also not exactly on the center. You can, if you want, you can place it on the exactly on the center, because this is just an example. So how actually you can add. So now here I'm actually adding another shape like a cuboid. So you can decide the thickness and also the placement. So decide the height as well. See, again all the lines are parallel to each other. These diagonal lines are actually, so this is going beyond, not finishing on the edge. So if you see this corner line, this is slightly going away. So like this, you can, by adding some hatching lines, if you see this is slightly going outside of this box. So it's beyond this box, because the box is not transparent, so you can't show. Otherwise, if you make the box transparent, you can easily show the backside cuboid that is attached to this top one. Similarly, if you want to create maybe some nice phone holder or something, so you can use this same technique, but instead of one, we can actually add to this bottom side. So let's, if you see this one, so I start with this cuboid only first. Now I will add a cut here. So, and we can extend this. So when you draw something, like when you try to fuse 2-3 shapes or something, like add 2-3 shapes, so make the line slightly lighter, because otherwise if you make all the lines darker, so it will be very difficult to see the final product. So try to make the lines, the initial lines, slightly light. Later on you can dark them easily. So see, this, the top one is actually a cuboid again. So 3 pieces are joined together, so you can create nice furnitures, or maybe some phone holder or something. Also, if you like my videos, so let me know in my comment section. Also, if you have any kind of doubt to any topic, like it can be on product perspective, so let me know on the comment section. I will make separate videos of this particular topic. So now I can join this. So you can see the center one, the center piece is exactly on the middle of these 2 blocks. It's like you can show you can convert this into a nice maybe a visiting card holder or something. So these lines are optional, but when you want to add, if you want to add some depth to your sketch, you can just by adding these lines, you can create very interesting look. Because if you leave simple sketch, it won't look that interesting. So you can think the light source either left or right, so according to that you can add some hatching lines to your sketch. So again, this one is another example. Let's try to do some interesting one. So same, start with the cuboid. Now decide the cuts, and again I'm adding a cuboid on the front side, and we can add 2 or 3 this kind of shapes. So if you want to create a furniture, maybe small table or something, you can create same using the same technique, but instead of 2, you can add 4 legs on the corners. Keep the proportion same, that is important. When you add some legs, so the other legs should be on the same level and should not be longer or shorter. So by adding some guidelines, you can check whether it's correct or not. So that's it. Hope you learn something. So let me know in the comment section, uh, like if you want me to uh, make a video on a particular topic. So thank you so much. See you soon with a new video. Take care and goodbye.